जोहार झारखंड। आज 23 अगस्त 2020। आज हम आपको मर्जर ऑफ बैंक पर लेक्चर देने जा रहे हैं। इन ए मर्जर देयर इज एन एंटर बैंक एंड एन amalgamating bank or banks where the latter gets merged with the former. For instance, in the consolidation that happened in April of 2019, Vijaya Bank and Dena Bank, Amalgamating Bank, were merged into Bank of Baroda, the enter bank. Now you understand what is enter bank and what is amalgamating bank. Enter bank who merge other bank. In effect, the operation of Vijaya Bank and Dena Bank were handed over to Bank of Baroda. Essentially, retail customers of the amalgamating bank are likely to get directly affected, whereas customers of the enter bank are not likely to face much change. However, shareholders of all banks involved in the merger are bound to be impacted. United Bank of India (UBI) and Oriental Bank of Commerce (OBC) will merge with Punjab National Bank (PNB), making it the second largest public sector bank. Syndicate Bank will be merged with Canara Bank. Allahabad Bank with Indian Bank. Andhra Bank and Corporation Bank are to be clubbed with Union Bank of India. Notwithstanding the 21st day coronavirus lockdown, the Reserve Bank of India (RBI) has decided to go ahead with the merger plan of 10 state-run banks into 4 larger banks from April 1, 2020. The government on March 4, 2020 had notified the amalgamation scheme for 10 state-owned banks into 4 as part of its consolidation plan to create bigger-size, stronger banks in the public sector. Customers, including depositors of merging banks, will be treated as customers of the bank in which these banks have been merged with effect from April 1, 2020. After the merger, the country is having a total of 12 public sector banks, including State Bank of India and Bank of Baroda. This will result in 7 large public sector banks and 5 smaller ones. There were as many as 27 PSBs in 2017. The government had infused capital growth more than 55,000 crores into public sector bank (PSB). The government reduced the number of public sector banks from the existing 21 to 12 is for creating 3 to 4 global size banks. Also, customers, including depositors of margin bank, will be treated as customer of the bank in which these banks have been merged. Merits of merger. First merit is a large capital base would help the acquirer banks to offer a large loan amount. Second merits, service delivery can get improved. Third, recapitalization need from the government to reduce. Technological upgradation on the third and various other products. Customer will have wide array of products like mutual fund and insurance to choose from in addition to the traditional loans and deposits. Sixth merits, with fewer banks it is possible for the ministry to better focus on the bank on its watch. Demerits of merger. First demerits is it would be taught to manage issues pertaining to human resources. Few large interlinked banks can expose the broader economy to enhanced financial risk. Third demerits is the local identity of a small bank will not be that prominent. The branches of the merging banks will operate as branches of the bank in which they have been merged. The new 12 public sector banks will be 6 merged banks and 6 independent banks. The following names of the merged banks and their establishment in India. First is State Bank of India, established in 1955. Second, Bank of Baroda, established 1908. Punjab National Bank 1894. Canara Bank 1906. Union Bank of India 1919. Indian Bank 1907. Independent banks, those who not merged, is Indian Overseas Bank, established 1937. UCO Bank 1943. Bank of Maharashtra 1935. Punjab and Sindh Bank 1908. Bank of India 1906. Central Bank of India 1911. Now I explain the private sector bank established year and headquarters. First is Axis Bank 1993, headquarters Mumbai. Bandhan Bank established 2015, Kolkata. Catholic Syrian Bank 1920, Thrissur. City Union Bank 1904, Tanjavur. DCB Bank 1930, Mumbai. Dhanlaxmi Bank 1927, Thrissur. Federal Bank 1931, Kochi. HDFC Bank 1994, Mumbai. ICC Bank 1994, Mumbai. IDBI Bank 1964, Mumbai. IDFC First Bank 2015, Mumbai. IndusInd Bank 1994, Mumbai. Jammu and Kashmir Bank 1938, Srinagar. Karnataka Bank 1924, Mangaluru. Tarur Best Bank 1916, Tarur. Kotak Mahindra Bank 2003, Mumbai. Lakshmi Vilas Bank 1926, Tarur. Nainital Bank 1922, Nainital. RBL Bank 1943, Mumbai. South Indian Bank 1929, Thrissur. Tamil Nadu Mercantile Bank 1921, Thoothukudi. Yes Bank 2004, Mumbai. Now there are 22 private banks and 12 public sector banks. Thank you.